Hello everyone, I'm Yang Xuechen, a Huawei engineer. Today, I'm going to compare the performance of the Rocky storage network and the traditional FC storage network in the slow drain scenario. Now, let's test how each of them performs in this scenario. In the test environment, there are 4 CentOS 8.0 hosts, each configured with one 25GE Rocky Mellanox NIC and one 22G FC Emulex NIC. The Rocky NIC has a port connected to a CE switch, and the FC NIC has a port connected to the NFC switch. Switches are cascaded, with the cascade bandwidth much greater than the host access bandwidth and the bandwidth for connecting to the storage devices. The Dorado 6000 V6, a mid-range option featuring 2 controllers, is used as the storage device. The 2 NICs on each controller support 25GE Rocky and 32G FC. We use a tool to construct slow drain traffic on hosts. Hosts 1, 2, 3, and 4 can currently access port A of the storage device to simulate sequential writes with 256 KB OLAP data blocks, causing congestion. Host 1 also accesses port B of the storage device to simulate sequential writes with 256 KB OLAP data blocks, with no congestion occurring. Observe the ILPS, bandwidth, and latency as performance indicators, especially those of host 1 with slow drain traffic. First, let's see how victim traffic is affected in the congestion scenario of the FC network. Log into the FC switch connected to the Dorado storage and enable the zone template. Then, log into host 1 and run the script to start the VD-Bench read or write test. Log into the Dorado storage GUI and check the traffic curve. Then, run a second VD-Bench script. On the storage GUI, we can see that the traffic of host 1 is affected. Next, let's find out how the victim traffic is affected in the congestion scenario of the Rocky network. Log into CE switch 1 connected to the Dorado storage and enable the zone template. Then, log into host 1 and run the script to start the VD-Bench read or write test. Log into the Dorado storage GUI and check the traffic curve. Then, run the second VD-Bench script. On the storage GUI, we can see that the traffic of host 1 is not affected. Okay, that's all for this episode of Test It, Believe It. Thank you.